Today we are going to explode Model S Tesla, and we are going to do it with 30 kilos of dynamite and some other seasonings. So it's going to be a huge blast and there is going to be nothing left from the car. And don't worry, it's not like brand new or even running, so it's going to be the loudest thing ever.
Yeah.
And I'm going to predict that because the explosives are on just like on surface of the car, the like bottom, like the skateboard of the car, the actual frame, that's going to be like in one piece. It's going to be quite bad mess, but one piece. And here we go. The bright light that is moving on the picture, it's actually explosion traveling many kilometers per second. It's thing called shock tube, and it's been used to transfer the explosion from charge to charge. It's plastic tube and there's very little of explosive inside and it looks really cool. And now all the smaller stuff is already almost gone. And the next thing that is going to happen is the shock tube is going to transfer the explosion outside of the frame, and then it switches into the death cord, and then when it comes back with the detonation cord, then you see the car disappear. Yeah, there it goes. And the shock wave looks really cool on the high speed. Yeah, I have to admit that I was a bit scared of how it's going to go, but we survived. The safety bunker was enough. Shock wave was so hard that it like removed some of the parts from the bunker, and the condition of car, it's surprisingly bad. I thought that there's going to be more left, but it's just like in million pieces all around the area. Okay, here are the main parts, and I was a bit wrong. I thought that all this is going to be together, but the rear and front axle are separated and they are surprisingly good condition. Actually, the side that wasn't on the blast, this and that tire, they're all good. And yeah, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.